Hey guys, what's up? So the Great Indian Festival sale is back on Amazon, and this time it's going to carry a lot of discounts. So go ahead, grab your credit cards, grab your debit cards. Get ready to do some real cool shopping and save yourself a lot of money. So in this sale, I'm gonna be bringing up a series of videos showing you the best possible dash cams, the best possible tech and the best possible gadgets you can get in this sale with a lot of super cool, super amazing discounts. So this is going to be one hell of a sale, and if you are planning on getting a dash cam, if you are planning on getting a gadget, a smartphone, a tablet, just hold on a bit more because the sale is coming up pretty soon. Just don't buy any gadgets right now because you can save yourself a lot of money if you do buy it in the Great Indian Festival sale. And if you have been following my channel, you would know that I brought up a series of videos for all the previous sales that have been conducted on Amazon. You can take a look at those videos just for reference to get to know which of the best dash cams you can currently buy in the Indian market. You can find the link to those videos in the description below. So all you need to do, guys, is just go ahead, follow me on my travel tech page, subscribe to my channel, and of course follow me on my Facebook, Instagram, and even the WhatsApp page. I'll be bringing up constant updates on our best gadgets and the best dash cams and the best tech which you can buy in this sale for yourself. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.